Question E. Question E asks, which 2 trees should Farmer Joe keep and which tree should he get rid of? So if you are Farmer Joe, which are the 2 trees that you will keep and which is the 1 tree that you will cut it off? Of course, common sense, you will keep the trees that are producing the most fruits and you will cut off the tree that produce the least fruits over 4 years. Right? Looking at this graph, tree 1, tree 2, and tree 3. Which one has the least number of fruits over the years? Which one the bars are the shortest overall? Okay, from the graph here, you can see that the third tree has lesser fruits than the second tree. Right? You can see the bars are shorter. Overall, the bars are shorter. Yeah, and if you compare tree 2 and the first tree has a lot. First tree has the most, and the second tree is slightly lesser, but the third tree has the shortest bars overall. Yeah, overall. So if you want, there is a way you can count all the boxes over the 4 years for the first tree. You can count all the number of boxes for the second tree and also count the third tree's boxes, and you compare which one has the most and which one has the least. But at one glance, looking at this bar chart, it is quite easy to tell that it's quite obvious that the third tree has the least number of growth. The third tree, right? So if I was Farmer Joe, I will keep the first and the second tree, and I will cut off the third tree. Right? So the answers you can copy in your learner's book. Okay, so these are the answers. Okay, please copy down the answers if you have not done so just now. Okay, the answers are all here. And the answer to the last one, he should keep tree 1 and 2 because they produce the most fruits. He should get rid of tree 3 because they produce the least fruits. Okay, please allow pause at the moment. Get your teacher to pause this page if you have not finished copying. Then let's move on to question 2. So look at the scales and how much does each lot of fruit weigh in kilos and grams? Okay, so now you're going to look at the scale here. Look at the number, yeah, and you need to put in the weight of the fruits according to the scale and put it in kilos and grams. Now bag A, can you see here? 2,500 grams. 2,500 grams. How to put it in kilos and grams? How to put it in kilos and grams? So 2,500. 1 kilo is 1,000 gram. So 2,000 grams will be 2 kilos. And 500 grams will remain as 500 grams. So this is how you should write. 2 kg, 500 grams. Right, now this one, the second one, it is actually 1030 grams. Each line here increases by 1 gram. Okay, because 1030 right up to 1040, and you can see that this points at the second one. So it is 1032 grams. So if it is 1032 grams, then it will be 1000 gram is 1 kg and 32 grams remain as 32 grams. So 1 kg and 32 grams. Write it down in your learner's book, just like what you see now. Just write it next to bag A and write the answer next to bag B. Next question. How much does each bag weigh in grams? Okay, we want grams this time. So bag C has 2.50 kg. 2.5 kg, in other words, 2.5 kg. How many grams would it be? 2 kg is 2000 grams, and 2.5 will be 2500 grams. Write the answer down next to bag C in your learner's book. Now bag D, see there are 5 pairs here, and it is 2 kg. Look at your own learner's book because the picture here is a bit blurred. Look at your own learner's book. You can see that it's pointing at 2.2. 2 and 2, okay, 2 kg and 200 grams. So if it is 2 kg and 200 grams, how many grams would it be? It would be 2200 grams. Write down. Let's move on. This is the next one. Round the weight of each bag to the nearest kilogram. So 1.750 kg, if you round up 1.7 kg, what would be the weight to the nearest kilogram? 1.7 is very close to 2 kg. So the answer is 2 kg if you round up. Now look at the number of pairs here. It's a lot, huh? So the scale here should be about 900 grams, is it? Okay. Can you see? It's very blurred here, but look at your own learner's book. The answer would be, after you round up, it would be 1 kg. 1 kg. Right, this one, next one. Question 3. Now, write the heights of each tree in meters, cm, and mm. So, it's time to check how you do your conversion. Right, look at tree A. Look at the ruler here. What is the height of tree A? If you can see carefully, you count it, it will be in between 90 and 100. This is a cm ruler. This is a cm ruler. This thing shows cm. So in between 90 and 100, what is it? In the middle, it should be 95 cm. So if it's 95 cm, how do you write it in meters? 0.95 meters. Okay, since it's 95 cm, so B, the answer for B will be also 95. And in mm, 1 cm equals to how many mm? 1 cm equals to 10 mm. So 95 cm will give you how many mm? It will give you 950 mm. Right, write the answers down next to the tree. Just find a space and write it down in your learner's book. Don't have to use your maths aid. Just write it in your learner's book. Okay, let's move on to tree B, the next tree. The height of the tree, it is about 60, it's in between 60 and 70. So the line here shows, can you count? What is it? It is 67, okay? So in meters, you write 0.67 meters. And in cm, it will be 67 cm, of course. And in millimeters, mm, you have to times 10. 1 cm is 10 mm, so 67 cm will give you 670 mm. Okay, the third tree, tree C. it clearly shows that it's at 120 cm. How many cm gives you 1 meter? 100 cm gives you 1 meter. So 120 cm will give you 1.2 meters. Okay. Then the next answer is very obvious. It's 120 cm. Now, when you convert cm into mm, you times 10. Times 10. Alright, so it will be 120 times 10 will give you 1200 mm. Right, copy the answers down just next to the tree in your learner's book. Alright. So get your teacher to pause the video if you need more time to complete this. That's all for today. Thank you, children.